In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a recurring invoice in Bill.com. This is really helpful if you bill clients for the same amount on a regular basis, like monthly retainers, subscriptions, or ongoing services. Setting this up once will save you time and help you avoid missed invoices in the future. Start on your main Bill.com dashboard. Look over to the left-hand side of your screen for the navigation menu. Find the option labeled Invoices and click on it. This will take you to your Invoices area. From there, look for the section or tab called Recurring Invoices and select it. This is where you'll manage everything related to invoices that repeat on a schedule. Next, you're going to create a new recurring invoice. On this page, look for a button that says New or Create Recurring Invoice. The wording may vary slightly depending on your version of the interface, but it will be clearly labeled for recurring invoices. Click that button to open up the recurring invoice setup form. Now you'll enter the details of the recurring invoice. Start by selecting the customer who should receive these invoices. Make sure you choose the correct customer profile, especially if you have similar names in your list. Then, choose the invoice template you want to use. Templates control how the invoice looks and what standard information appears on it, such as your logo and contact details, so pick the one that best matches your usual branding and layout. Next, enter the amount that will be billed each time this invoice goes out. Double-check this number, especially if taxes or fixed fees are involved, because this amount will repeat automatically. Set the frequency for the invoice. This is how often it will be sent, such as weekly, monthly, or annually. Pick the option that matches your agreement with the customer. Now choose the next due date. This is the date when the first invoice in the recurring series will be due. After that, Bill.com will follow the schedule you set with the frequency. For the end settings, decide whether this series should stop on a specific date or continue indefinitely. If you know the contract end date, enter it here. If the service is ongoing, you can leave this open so the invoices continue until you decide to stop them later. After that, choose your delivery options. Decide whether you want Bill.com to send the invoice automatically to the customer as soon as it's generated, have it emailed later so you can review it first, or mailed via postal service. Think about how your customer prefers to receive invoices and what fits your internal workflow best. Once everything looks correct and you're happy with all the settings, click Save. This activates your recurring invoice, and Bill.com will now handle generating those invoices for you on the schedule you defined.